Hey guys, and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to cartoonize your photo. Now let's begin. Just click on your photo on Canva and you will be greeted by an option named as Edit Image on the menu bar. Simply click on it. Scroll down till you find something called as Prisma. Now simply select whichever one you want. And your photo will be cartoonized. For now, I'm showing you guys by selecting different filters. Select the one you most like and simply click apply. Well guys, that's how you cartoonize your photo using Canva. For more information on videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.